When you think of the ocean's deadliest creatures, what comes to mind? Sharks, right? Those sleek, powerful predators with rows of razor-sharp teeth. It's an understandable fear. Sharks have been the subject of legends and nightmares for centuries. But what if I told you that the ocean's most lethal hunters aren't the ones you fear? In the vast expanse of our oceans, danger lurks in many forms. Often it's the creatures we least suspect, the ones that blend seamlessly into their surroundings or appear deceptively small, that pose the greatest threat. Today we're diving deep into the world of these unassuming assassins, the creatures whose deadly secrets often go unnoticed until it's too late. Join me, Keith Baxter, as we explore the fascinating and sometimes frightening world of the ocean's deadliest creatures. You'll discover that nature's true terrors are often hidden in plain sight, a stark reminder of the power and mystery of the natural world. Sharks, with their menacing grins and cold, calculating eyes, have earned their place in our collective imagination as the apex predators of the sea. And while it's true that a shark encounter can be a terrifying experience, the reality is their reputation as ruthless man-eaters is largely undeserved. Every year there are a handful of recorded shark attacks on humans, a statistic often sensationalized by the media. But to put things into perspective, these incidents are incredibly rare. You're more likely to be struck by lightning than to be bitten by a shark. In fact, sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ocean's ecosystems. As apex predators, they keep populations of other marine animals in check, ensuring a healthy and diverse underwater world. So, while we should always treat these creatures with respect and caution, we shouldn't let fear dictate our perception of them. Sharks, like all creatures, deserve our admiration and protection. Our journey into the world of the ocean's deadliest takes us to the warm tropical waters of Australia, home to a creature whose beauty masks a deadly secret: the box jellyfish. Translucent and shimmering, they drift through the water almost invisible, their cube-shaped bells trailing a tangle of venomous tentacles. Unlike their slow-moving jellyfish cousins, box jellyfish are agile hunters, actively pursuing their prey with surprising speed. Their tentacles, armed with millions of stinging cells called nematocysts, deliver a potent venom that attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin. The pain from a box jellyfish sting is said to be excruciating, often leading to shock and even cardiac arrest within minutes. In Australia alone, these silent assassins are responsible for dozens of deaths each year. While there are anti-venoms available, the venom acts so quickly that immediate first aid is crucial. If you're lucky enough to be swimming in these waters, it's best to wear protective clothing and be aware of your surroundings. Our next encounter takes us to the rocky reefs and coral gardens of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, where we meet a creature as beautiful as it is deadly: the blue-ringed octopus. Don't let its diminutive size fool you. This golf ball-sized cephalopod packs a punch that belies its small stature. When threatened, the blue-ringed octopus flashes iridescent blue rings as a warning, a mesmerizing display that signals the presence of a deadly neurotoxin, tetrodotoxin. This potent venom, 1,000 times more toxic than cyanide, disrupts nerve signals, leading to paralysis and respiratory failure. What makes the blue-ringed octopus particularly dangerous is its beak-like mouth, hidden within its tentacles. This sharp beak can pierce through wetsuits, delivering its deadly venom with a single bite. There is no known anti-venom for the blue-ringed octopus, making it one of the most lethal creatures on Earth. The best way to avoid a potentially fatal encounter is to admire them from a distance and resist the urge to touch. Our final stop takes us to the shallow coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific, home to a master of disguise and the holder of a rather unfortunate title: the stonefish, the most venomous fish in the world. As its name suggests, the stonefish is a master of camouflage, its lumpy, mottled skin blending seamlessly with rocks and coral on the seabed. This camouflage, while impressive, makes it a serious threat to unsuspecting swimmers and waders. Concealed within its dorsal fin spines are venomous sacs that deliver a potent cocktail of toxins when pressure is applied. Stepping on a stonefish triggers these spines, injecting venom that causes excruciating pain, swelling, tissue necrosis, and even paralysis. Stonefish venom is incredibly potent and can be fatal if not treated promptly. If you're unfortunate enough to be stung, seeking immediate medical attention is crucial. The best way to avoid an encounter is to wear protective footwear when wading in shallow waters. So next time you think about the dangers lurking in the ocean, remember it's not always the big predators you need to fear. The ocean is a vast and complex ecosystem, teeming with creatures of all shapes and sizes, each playing a vital role. While it's essential to be aware of the potential dangers, we should also approach the ocean with respect and a sense of wonder. By understanding and appreciating the creatures that call it home, we can help protect this incredible ecosystem for generations to come. Stay safe and stay informed.